Hi, this is Jordy from Blue Heron School. We've been talking a lot about signs of spring, and one really cool sign of spring is pussy willows. And I wanted to show you today how to make a beautiful drawing of pussy willows. I have a brown marker that I'm going to use to draw the stems . And it's nice if you draw a couple of stems together. Sort of like that. And then I'm going to use some white paint, and I'm going to pour a little bit into the lid so that I can use my finger as my paintbrush. And I'm going to draw the little catkins using my fingerprint. When I put on the little furry catkins, I'm going to do them alternating, because if you look at the pussy willow branch, the catkins are alternating like that. They're not directly opposite each other. And there it is. I hope you enjoy this project.